Hey, this is Eric from Botisimo with another Botisimo bit for you. You've probably seen the term regular when looking at permissions while making a command and probably wondered, what's it for and how can I use it? Or or maybe you didn't. I don't know. I'm not in your brain. Regular is a special title you can assign to users. If you want to put it in a hierarchy, I guess you'd you'd have everyone and then regular and then subscriber. I guess so regular is above everyone, but below subscriber. If we're using a Twitch nomenclature, to set a user as a regular, you or a moderator can either use the command !regular with their username in there, or go to the user section of your Botisimo page and you can promote from there by clicking on the platform that the user is on and clicking this little star right here. How you define it is entirely up to you, the streamer, but for the sake of ease, it's basically for your viewers who you know are always there, but aren't subscribers, or maybe they are, and you'd like to acknowledge them with this little extra thing. Along with the neat title, it can also come with special permissions. For example, you can adjust your spam filter to let your regulars bypass them. Commands in Botisimo can have their permissions altered, so if you'd like a default command or a custom one that you've made yourself to be only usable by regulars, then you have the power to do so. So yeah, give it a shot. Consider promoting some of your viewers to regular status and give them some special commands, like letting them, queue up songs, or even a command that you made yourself. Anyway, that's it for me. If you have any questions, hit up our knowledge base or email us at support@botismo.com. See you next time.